In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively sign out of your Gmail account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using a public computer or simply want to ensure your account's security on a shared device, signing out is an important step. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail. To do this, fire up the Chrome browser on your computer and head over to the Gmail website. Make sure that you're already logged into your Gmail account. You'll be able to spot this by noting your inbox or any other folders you might typically view when checking your emails. If you aren't seeing your account, just make sure to sign in with your credentials before proceeding. Once you've verified that you're in, take a glance at the top right corner of the Gmail page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This could be a photo or simply the initial of your name. Click on this profile icon to proceed. It's a neat little area where you can manage your account settings, and it's also where we'll handle signing out today. Upon clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu houses various options for your account, but what you'll want to focus on now is the option that says Sign Out. Click on Sign Out, and with that, you'll be logged out of your Gmail account. You should notice that you've been redirected to the Gmail login page, confirming that you're no longer signed in. This is a crucial step for keeping your information private, especially if you're not the sole user of the computer. Now, if you happen to be signed into multiple Google accounts on this browser, there's another step you might want to consider. Look back at that drop-down menu and locate the Sign Out of All Accounts option. Clicking this will ensure that each account is logged out from the browser. It's a great way to make sure everything is secure if you're managing multiple accounts. Finally, for those who are extra cautious or if you're using a shared or public computer, clearing your browser data is a smart move. To do this, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and click on them. Then navigate to Settings, proceed to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll want to make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Just hit Clear Data and you're all set. Doing this will prevent any auto login from occurring the next time someone opens Gmail on this device. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you ensure your Gmail account remains secure and private, even if someone else accesses the same device. Thanks for watching, and remember these tips to keep your information safe.